come on, that snow is so big. Vicky, let's go, please.
Eat this slow.
I'm so cold. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So guys, today I'm going to Walmart. I'm gonna try and find two gifts in my budget for our donation. Hey guys, Wagwan, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we're a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So, guys, it's Christmas, and this is the time of the year where a lot of people donate a lot of stuff or do charity stuff, to show their way of like sharing and caring for other people, especially those who are less fortunate and don't have it. For us, this year we are doing some two gifts. So at school, they have like a Christmas tree there, and the kids, you pick an angel from the tree, and it will tell you boy or girl and the age of which you should buy a present. Then you wrap the present and you return it back to school for them to donate these presents to kids that don't really have it. Okay, so Mikhail and Jojo, they did brought home two angels from their Christmas tree at school for 8-year-old and a 4-year-old. So today I went to Walmart, of course, to try to find something, and I was like, okay, I'm on a budget here, so but I still want to find something really nice to wrap, right? Okay, guys, me and Blessing is going to try to find a gift on the budget. Which one of them, Pizza over pizza, baby, boo. Okay. Okay, this one is $19. So, oh, see one here, Sophie, $16. The yellow one look nice. Yeah, remote car. This is a good price right here. Okay, I think we got our two gifts under 20. Under 20 each. Yes, Blessing, I know. We're not staying in here. We're going out. Okay, baby? Don't worry. Um, I remember one year I was in Jamaica, in primary school, and I don't know if you guys remember when they would you would get this present, this box from overseas. So people just fill the box up with all kinds of stuff and donate it. And that year my school got those Christmas box, and I have to say it was one of the most wonderful time and best Christmas, because it was just so nice to open the box. It was filled with crayons, book, dots, just all these little things that kids go crazy for. And I really, really love my Christmas box, honestly. And I've done this before here, but through a church, where we do the Christmas boxes and fill it up, write in it, whatever, and put it, like you buy a gift appropriate for whatever age, right? And stuff like that. And you would write that on the box and bring it back to the church and stuff like that. So I'm super, super happy and excited that we're doing it this year, but through the school for the kids, it's the same thing. So I'm really, really happy that I was able to this is like donate two gifts to two kids somewhere in Canada here. I don't know where or who, but I know that when they get that gift, they're gonna be happy, because this happened to me many, 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 many years back in Jamaica, okay? And I know how I felt. I was so overjoyed, overwhelmed. I was like happy, 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 happy. A lot of parents are here, and they're not able to buy their kids a Christmas gift, right? So if you're able to do that, if you're able to give somebody something for Christmas, right? Whether it be a kid or your neighbor, your nieces, your nephews, it really makes a difference, right? And the thing about this that I like, I don't know who is gonna get it, you know. We don't have to see a face to who we're giving it to or anything. It's just a thought that counts, right? And I know that they're gonna love it. They're gonna love it, guys. They're gonna love these gifts. Trust me. So I'm going to be wrapping my gifts. I'll show you my gifts that I bought. Okay, guys. So for the 4-year-old in Michaela's class, I got them this really nice pizza Play-Doh package, and this was like 19.99. So it's affordable. It's on my budget. It's right up my alley. And I don't know any little 4-year-old who don't like to play with Play-Doh. Michaela goes crazy for it, I know that. And for Josiah, his angel said boy as well, but 8 years old. And what is better than a remote car? So it has a remote inside here, and me make sure some get batteries, because nothing is worse than when you Josiah them get a gift and it works with battery. It needs battery to work, and there's no battery comes with it. Trust me, they are so frustrated that man. We don't want no people to be frustrated this Christmas. No, we want somebody to be happy with our gifts. So I will be putting the batteries in here so that because I checked it here. Yeah, triple A. I checked the box already to see that the type of batteries that the car will be that uses. So when they open it, they will be able to put in their batteries and play and have a merry Christmas. So guys, it doesn't have to like cost a lot to make a difference. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money to make a difference. So if you're planning or if you've done stuff like this before, really appreciate you, and big up. Continue to do a great job and to make a difference. Okay, guys. So Jojo, yours said boy, 7 years old. So I bought this one for him. I have the wrap it and this one for Mickey's because it says boy, but 4 years old. Okay, so we're gonna wrap.
Yeah.
Get down to detail.
I love Christmas.
You love Christmas, people?
Yeah.
So these are the angels that they brought home. So I just wrapped the gift and then placed the angel on top. I actually taped it so it doesn't like move, and so that the teachers will know who the gift is for. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel for more. Bye.